Right, how's it going, YouTube? So back out with the Exceed. Been a minute since I did some testing with it. So just want to show you guys I built some trays for it. This will be a success run. If you haven't seen the trays, if you tune in to my Instagram, I'll probably put a link up, or you know, the words or whatever, or my community on my YouTube. I posted the trays I built. They don't make trays for this. Everything I get for this is all custom made, because the ESC tray, battery trays, the mounts, because they don't really make too much stuff for this car aftermarket. It's not a popular aftermarket car for speed runs, anything like that. Anyway, sorry for the babbling. So this is going to be a 6S run. I got 2 3S's in there. I'm hoping that helps with the stability, and it gave me more space. That's why I made the battery trays. So we're gonna go ahead and throw the body on. I do have 2 GPS's, but I'm gonna put one on the back and one on the inside, just for my well-being. I actually show you, I gotta restart the video because I'm not gonna keep it on while I put everything back on. I'm gonna just show the second GPS. But as far as this one, I'll show it zeroed out. Sorry about that, guys. Zeroed out, timer started. That's just gonna be in there for reference, but I'm gonna put this other one that I have in the back. So, all right, guys. All right, YouTube. So I'm gonna show you how the GPS is zeroed out. I still have the one on the inside. It's already started, but we're gonna go off of this one for now. Timer started. This is gonna be a 6S run. Been a while since I ran it. Make sure y'all seeing that. All right, guys. Did some adjustments. I put some new foams up there. I want to make sure that everything's straight with that. I do got a car I see coming down on that side. No, he's not coming. Now look it down, look it down. Not looking for no major numbers. Just trying to see if she make a clean pass. That's basically it. Alright, guys, here we come. It was a clean pass. This is with the 16th. This is with the setup I had in the XTM. See, right now, I just ran out of signal. Just let me turn my steering on. I'm guessing all these power lines ain't helping me. That was a good pull, though. It's kind of chilly out today. See what she did. She did 74. I'm gonna show y'all the setup, but I also want to get some test hits in. So let me go ahead and correct this steering, because I had it pulling on me. I couldn't really get into it how I want. Sorry about the wind noises, guys. Get a quick test hit in. It looked like I'd be probably using this for the 8th scale. I'm liking this setup in here. I'm gonna get another hit in just in case. I need some more speed though, I'll tell you that much. I need some more speed. I'm gonna show y'all the setup once I'm done. I'm hitting 74, which is not bad, but that's just a setup This is just a setup I threw in here. I wasn't expecting no major numbers. I just want to get a nice hit and make sure the car is tracking straight. And that's what she's doing. That's all I wanted. Let's get another one in, and I'm gonna show y'all the system. Had to pull off the road. I think my pinion came off. Let's jump in the car, run down there and see. Yeah, my pinion or something came off. We'll see. I didn't have no brakes or nothing. She was launching though, I'll tell you that. She was launching. Let's see if we did anything better on the GPS. It did 80 that time. Alright guys, also let's check the GPS inside and I'm gonna show you the system and see what happened. We got 90 on the GPS inside. You see that? That's crazy. But let's see what happened here. My pinion came loose. Yeah, my pinion just came loose. That's what really happened. I kind of stripped my Mod 1 gears, but it's still reusable. I just gotta tighten that up and put some Loctite on there. I don't know which GPS to believe, y'all, 90 or 80. I'll go with the 80. I ain't stressing it. She did good. I'll definitely get it fixed up and get it back out there. All right, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for some more.